Welcome back to another episode of Miss Marissa Moments. Today, we're going to make a table favor or a treat for Thanksgiving.
Hey you, that's right, I'm talking to you. It's time to watch our favorite girl and teach us something new. We're making crafts, we're playing games, we're going for a ride. You can find us having fun on every Sunday night. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments.
So what you need for this is you need some frosting. You need some candy corn. You need Reese's. You need mega stuffed Oreos and some ice and toothpick. Now we're going to use our cookie and we're going to put some frosting on one side of the cookie. So we're going to take our Reese's Buttercup and we're going to stick it on there. Now we're going to make the feather of our turkey. So I cut my candy corn and my turkey as a feather. I put frosting on the other side. Now I'm going to take another Reese's and put it on the other side. So now we're going to put some eyes and nose on it. And the nose is part of a candy corn. We're going to put frosting on the back. I hope you have a good Thanksgiving. See you next time on Miss Marissa Moments.